Hi guys, so I just wanted to take a minute and show you a visual for the very first problem in the instructional video for this week. This problem right here. So if you're on the week 8 instruction for the 3.5 lesson, I want to show you a visual of this problem right here, this um, system of equations that has three equations, three unknown variables, and like it's explained, our steps are the same. We still are using either substitution or elimination. It just takes longer because we have a third variable to solve for. And so I wanted to show you what it looks like visually. We won't need to do it visually. Like we won't be finding it visually. We will just be doing it algebraically, but I still wanted to give you a visual. At the beginning of the video, it showed you something like this, and this is a good visual. Um, when we talk about the variable z, we are now entering a 3D plane. X and y, like think about just an X and Y plane, it's 2D, right? We could draw a line, it's two-dimensional. When we get the variable z, it creates a 3D plane. So what it looks like is something like this. Okay, so notice it's totally three-dimensional, right? It's a cube now. And so from the video, where the example is these three equations, um, here are these three equations. So instead of graphing a line, right, if I had an equation with two variables, x and y, it would just graph a line in the xy plane. Now, since we have the variable z, we are not graphing a line anymore. We are graphing a plane. So notice this is a plane, and you haven't been to geometry yet, but you'll talk about planes. It's a surface. So that variable z, you could see, it creates just a three-dimensional figure. It's a surface, it's a plane. Okay, so now when I add in here our second equation, you can see where they intersect, right? And it's hard to tell, but they intersect. And so when two lines intersect, they intersect as a line. So now that's a two-dimensional line that is the intersection point of those two planes. And then when I bring in the third plane here, three planes intersect at a specific point. And so when we do this algebra here to find the solution, like I said, three planes intersect not as a line, but three planes intersect as a point. So we need to try to find this point of where they intersect, and it looks like it's somewhere right around here. The answer from the video we got when we did it algebraically was 4, 2, -3. So the x value is 4, the y value is 2, and the z value is -3. Notice when I plot that, you can see this purple dot up here, and that is the intersection point. Three planes intersect at a point. That is the intersection point of these three planes, and that's what we are trying to solve for. So it's really cool. You can kind of see the visual. To get to this website, it's desmos.com/3D. It is like a trial website, so I don't know if you'll be able to access it, but might as well go for it so you can play around. Just wanted to give you a visual of three-dimensional plane. Thank you for watching, guys.